This is chapter 14, and we are doing 14.6 Languages of Europe. This is the recap from pages 261 to 263. Please make sure you read this section before you watch this video. Okay, so there are three language groups in Europe. We have the Romance language, the Germanic language, and the Slovak language. Now, the Romance language was based out of the beginning in Rome. Latin was the official language of Rome, but it is no longer spoken. The Romance language originated near Rome, and it included Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, and French. Now, Italian is spoken in Italy, which is most like the Latin language. Spanish is the language of Spain, Central and South America. Mexico and Central America, the West Indies and South America is called the Latin America. Portuguese is spoken in Portugal and Brazil. We have French is now the international language other than English, and it is spoken in France. But a lot of people learn French in different parts of the country, especially if they're going to be in a diplomatic position. French is spoken in parts of Africa, Asia, Guyana, South America, Haiti, and even in parts of Canada. Remember, a lot of people fled from Canada or fled to Canada from France. Then we have the Germanic language, which is most people in Europe speak the Germanic or Germanic languages. The Germanic language is German, Dutch, Icelandic, Swedish, Danish, Norwegian, and English. Now, German is spoken in Germany and Austria. Dutch is similar to German, and it is spoken in the Netherlands or Holland. Icelandic, Swedish, Danish, and Norwegian are also called the Scandinavian languages, which we learned about yesterday. And those are spoken in the Scandinavian countries of Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Iceland, and Finland. Icelandic is also the same as the language of the Viking ancestors of the Scandinavian people. We have the Slavic language, and the Slavic languages are Polish, Ukrainian, and Bulgarian. Most of the Eastern Europe speak Russian, and Russian is the former language of the Soviet Union. The Russian alphabet actually has 33 letters, and it doesn't look anything like the Roman alphabet. There is also Greek. Now, Greek is not part of one of the three main European languages, even though it is spoken in Europe. Another language used, but just not mixed with another language. So modern Greek is actually a form of the ancient Greek language, and that is interesting because all European languages are based on the Greek alphabet, but Greek didn't actually mix with one of the other languages we just talked about. So here is a few different things about the languages of Europe. And this is the last section in the book on in your chapter 14, Western Europe. So I hope you learned a few new things about the different languages over there in Western Europe.